Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I wish to introduce myself as Swaminathan, who has been fortunate to be associated with this Humor Club, International Triplicane Chapter, for the past over 35 years. I also wish to pass on the New Year greetings to all of you on behalf of our President Sri Sita Raman, Secretary Sri Sekharan, Treasurer Sri Kannan, and on my own behalf. It has been 35 years we have travelled, and we feel it is the right time to take a look at what we have done and our achievements so that we will know where we stand and in which direction we should continue our journey. Well, we started the club during 1983 with hardly 20 members in our fold in a classroom of Hindu High School Triplicane, and year after year, as the number was growing, we also started moving to bigger places and auditoriums. And thanks to the great involvement and support received from all of you, now the membership is crossing 2,000. This includes many VIPs of Chennai, industrialists, professionals like doctors, auditors, lawyers, journalists, dramatists, singers, film personalities, and so on and so forth. Ladies and gentlemen, when I mentioned VIPs, we would like to reiterate that every member here is a VVIP for us. We have been offering quality humor without hurting the feelings of any class of people and also not involving politics and religion. I hasten to add here that in this club, we make sure all sections of people are treated equally, irrespective of caste, creed, color, and status. We also ensure that the senior citizen and super senior citizens are treated with utmost respect in these premises. The club was started mainly to promote humor amongst people who are greatly stressed and are deprived of opportunities to unwind themselves. One may wonder, in this period of social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, enough humor is available. Where there is enough humor available, how can a humor club for humor attract so big an audience? Here it is important to understand that here we, our members, give life and shape to the jokes which people read in social medias or print medias, and hence the reason for this dedicated and quality audience. We have had several eminent personalities, to name a few: Tenkachi Swaminathan, Sukhi Sivam, Mr. Sivakasi Ramachandran, Pattimandram glitter artists like Bharati Bhaskar, Raja, Manikandan, Mohana Sundaram, Mr. Arul Prakash, Mr. Shivakumar, Sumudi Madam, and the multi-talented personality like Revati Shankaran, stage artists like Kathadi Ramurthy, S.V. Shekhar, Crazy Mohan, legends from film world like Sri Visu Sir, Sri Balachandar Sir. Oh, the list is lengthening by leaps and bounds, who have decorated or graced our stages during different meetings. We gratefully remember all of them at this juncture. Another interesting and important thing which goes a long way to motivate us, we have some people who are settled in US, UK and Australia and Middle East who have enrolled themselves as members in our club. And some of them have even spoken to our Secretary, Mr. Sekharan, have greatly appreciated our efforts, adding that they enjoy every bit of our program, witnessing them through YouTube regularly. Here I would like to say something. Whenever I proudly claim with my friends that I am a member of Humor Club International Triplicane Chapter, some of my friends have asked me, Humor Club, all right, what is international about it? Ladies and gentlemen, Sekharan and Sita Raman, I would now like to claim I have a knife-edge answer for them. Now we have truly gone international. Ladies and gentlemen, you will all be very happy to know that our monthly programs hit a viewership of well over 500,000, and the anniversary one crosses easily over 1 million in YouTube. Now I would like to add one more thing. Ours is a Triplicane chapter, but conducted in Mylapore. Nevertheless, we have members coming from all over, some of them coming from faraway places like Viluppuram, Valaja, Vellore, and even Sangaran Koil. The gentleman comes the previous day, takes a train and comes in the morning to attend our monthly meetings. Apart from promoting humor and encouraging people to tell jokes, our club has also been doing a great service to the extent possible to general and specific public. We would like to list them here as under. We give 1,500 rupees monthly pension to an artist who is now 83 years old. Conducted Sadabhishekam celebration of over 60 couples on 3rd February 2013, presenting them with shawl and dresses and garlands, pada puja and lunch and whatnot. We also organized a similar function for couples who have completed Sashtiyapta Purti numbering about 140 on 25th January 2015. We continue this even now in the sense we honor at least one elderly couple every month during our monthly meeting. This is an ample proof, gentlemen, for our claim that we treat the elderly with due respect in our club. We also give educational sponsorship of 100,000 rupees per annum to the needy, a gift of 8 grams of Thirumangalyam to the most needy would-be bride.
நீங்கள் எல்லாருமே அப்படியே இருங்க. இந்த விருதுகள் கொடுத்தது பெருசில்லை. இப்போ ஒரு விருது கொடுக்க போகிறோம். நம்முடைய நல்வாழ்க்கைக்காக பனியிலும் வெயிலும் மழையிலும் நமக்காக தேசத்தின் எல்லையில் போராடி போரில் இறந்த ஒரு வீரரின் மனைவிக்கு இப்பொழுது உமா மகேஸ்வரி அவர்களுக்கு இந்த சபை இராணுவ வீரரை இழந்த ஒரு குடும்பத்தை சார்ந்த பெண் திருமதி உமா மகேஸ்வரி அவர்களை செல்வகுமார் அவர்கள் மேடைக்கு அழைத்து கொண்டு வருவார்கள். செல்வகுமார் அவர்கள் ப்ளீஸ், செல்வகுமார் அவர்கள் மேடைக்கு அழைத்து கொண்டு வருவார்கள். மாவோயிஸ்டால் இவருடைய கணவர் ஒரு போரில் கொல்லப்பட்டார் என்பதும் ஒரு பெருமை மிக்க இராணுவ வீரரின் மனைவி என்பதும் உமா மகேஸ்வரி அவர்களுக்கு ஹியூமர் கிளப் சார்பாக 1,00,000 ரூபாய் செக் வழங்கி KR நாகராஜன் அவர்களுடைய திருக்கரங்களால் அந்த 1,00,000 ரூபாய் செக்கு
a cash donation of 100,000 rupees to a martyred soldier year from 2017 onwards, done during our anniversary function. Monthly prizes through Lucky Dip to 2 of our members. Special gift hampers to all our lady members during Navaratri. There is a saying, if you educate a man, you are educating only an individual. But if you educate a woman, you are educating the entire family. Consistent with this thought, our Secretary Sekaran feels if we train the women to adopt sense of humor, develop sense of humor, it will be of great help to the family and can bring down the conflicts and defeat men folks meet in their hands. Yeah, it's more a selfish attitude. Many of our women members, to name a few, Radha Balraman, Rajalakshmi Madam, Vijayalakshmi Shankar, Vanaja Madam, Vijaya Shekaran, and a few others, make it a point to come to the stage and tell quality jokes, thereby exhibiting their resolve in bringing delightful harmony in their families. With this thing in the mind, we have formed a ladies' wing in our club, whose members contribute their might on various occasions. In order to show varieties, we have conducted several different kinds of programs for the benefit of our members, like staging popular dramas, music programs with a different look from movies of yesteryears or even decades, pattimantrams on interesting topic, one such thing is going to take place today, speeches from eminent philanthropists on different topics mixed with humor. Now, I will be failing in my duty if I don't make a mention about the sponsors without whose concerted effort and support this success would not have been possible. We gratefully remember each of them: the managements of City Union Bank, Integrated Enterprises, Ramraj Cotton, Limra Education, Lanker, and Super Auto Forge. We are particularly thankful to Auditor Mr. Ramakrishnan and Sridhar for their profound and silent help to us in many ways. We are also grateful to Mr. N. Balachandran of Expo Visions, who takes special care in stage decoration and make it more colorful during our anniversary functions. Above all, we are extremely grateful to you all members who have given us overwhelming support in all these years and would request you to continue the same in future too. This I am mentioning on behalf of our President Sitaraman, Secretary Sekharan and Treasurer Kandan, on my own behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, we truly and emotionally feel that all our success is due to you, and repeat, you only, which we again and again acknowledge from the bottommost part of the heart. Ladies and gentlemen, again, our efforts to conduct more interesting programs in our club will continue with your active participation and support. We seek good ideas and suggestions in terms of the same. Thanks a lot.